In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install free games here on a Steam Deck. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now start off on the home screen and just press the Steam button on your Steam Deck. And then from here, go ahead and scroll down to the store section right here. Open this up, and then from here, what you're going to want to do is scroll up to the very top and you're going to see a categories tab right here. Select that and then find the free to play section in this option. You may have to scroll all the way over to view all tags, and once you're in here, you can obviously go ahead and search for one, or just scroll over and you'll see free to play. Select that, and this is going to have every single free to play game on here. Now you can browse through all these different options and you could sort them through the most popular, the top sellers, the top rated, and so much more. Just pick a game that you want to play, and keep in mind some games are not fully compatible with the Steam Deck. And look up in the top right of the game page. For example, if I open up, Team Fortress 2, if it says verified, that means it's going to work great on the Steam Deck, or compatible, that means it'll work great. If it says playable, it still may need some small adjustments, so just keep that in mind. But find one that you want to play, hit play game, choose your install location, hit install, and make sure obviously you have enough free space available. And then from here you can return by hitting the Steam button again, go to library, and of course you'll be able to go ahead and play all those games once they finish downloading. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.